Unlock a universe of playable media on your Apple TV by mastering the power of VLC. First, we need to get the VLC app onto your Apple TV. Navigate to your Apple TV's home screen and find the App Store icon. It's the blue icon with a white A. Select it to open the App Store. Once inside the App Store, look for the search function, usually located at the top or a dedicated search tab. Select it, and then type in VLC. As you type, you should see VLC for mobile or just VLC appear in the suggestions. Select that option. You'll now see the VLC Media Player app in your search results. Make sure it's the official VLC app once you found it. Select the Get button. You might be prompted to confirm your download with Face ID, Touch ID, or by entering your Apple ID password, depending on your Apple TV settings. The app will then download and install. Once it's finished, you'll find the VLC icon on your Apple TV home screen, ready to be launched. Now let's dive into using VLC. When you open VLC for the first time, you'll see a main menu. From here, you can access your media in a few ways. For files on your local network, like a computer or NAS drive, select Local Network. If you've set up network sharing on your computer, VLC can scan for these sources. You might need to grant permissions to access your network once connected. You can browse through your network folders just like you would on a computer and find the video or audio files you want to play. Select the file you wish to play, and VLC will instantly begin playback. Regardless of its format, this is where VLC truly shines, supporting a vast array of codecs that native Apple TV apps might not handle. During playback, you can use your Apple TV remote to access the playback controls. A swipe down or a tap on the center of the remote usually brings up the overlay. Here you can pause, skip forward or backward, adjust volume, and even access subtitle options if available for your media. For even more flexibility, VLC also supports various cloud storage services. You can connect accounts like Dropbox, Google Drive, or OneDrive directly within the app to stream media stored in the cloud. Just select Cloud Services and follow the prompts to link your accounts. By installing and using VLC on your Apple TV, you're dramatically expanding your media playback possibilities, enjoying a wider range of videos and audio formats with ease.